Hello folks, welcome back to our new video on how to improve your concentration. In this video, you are going to learn how to control your thoughts while studying, maximum focus, reducing distraction, build better memory and improve your ability to understand and study quickly. Watch this full video. All these tips are from my own personal experience and it has more positive response. I felt most of you also face the same problem. So I came up with this video. So let's start with it. The most important thing is focus. Most students often tell they study for whole day and they still can't remember anything. It's not how long you study. How focused you study makes a difference. Keep few points in mind. Don't waste time keeping books in front of you when you don't feel like studying. Don't study when there is lot of disturbance or distractions like loud noises or lot of people talking and others. Do not study many subjects at a time. So, the solution to these problems are very simple. Firstly, have a specific location set only for studying, like on study table or chair, since beds or other places don't work because your mind is limited only sleep on bed and you'll not be able to focus. Secondly, study at times when there will be less distractions, mostly late nights or early mornings and so. Thirdly, studying one subject at a time helps to hold the content intact and reduces confusion. Study one subject complete for one whole week or so. The best tip to maximize concentration is reading loudly. Yes, it's reading loudly. Whenever you lose focus or start to think about something else, try reading aloud. You'll be surprised with it. Reading aloud has many advantages. It helps in keeping your focus intact by stimulating the brain. It helps in better grasping of whatever you are studying. Mindfulness is also a very beneficial thing of it. Hope you enjoyed and learned something useful. Share this video with all your friends and let them do well in their exams. All the best. Like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Press the bell icon and stay notified. Thank you.